BitTorrent is a way to transfer files of just about any size quickly and efficiently. It works by breaking files up into small pieces. To make and share a file or group of files through BitTorrent, you first make it into a torrent, a small file which contains information about the files and about the computer that coordinates the file distribution. First, a user playing the role of file provider makes a file available to the network. This first user's file is called a seed, and its availability on the network allows other users, called peers, to connect and begin to open your torrent and begin downloading the pieces. As the file downloads to peers' machines, those peers also share the pieces they get with even more people who are also trying to download the same file. Once multiple peers have multiple pieces of the seed, BitTorrent allows each to become a source for that portion of the file. The effect of this is to take on a small part of the task and relieve the initial user, distributing the file download task among the seed and many peers. After the file is successfully and completely downloaded by a given peer, the peer is able to shift roles and become an additional seed, helping the remaining peers to receive the entire file.
Okay. There are so many websites that torrent can be downloaded. Sites like btisgame.net, bittorrent.de, sharingthegroup.org, softhole.com, germantorrent.de. There are also types of torrents. The common ones that are mostly downloaded are applications, games, movies, comics, and music. English spoken files, but languages like German, French, Spanish, and Chinese are also speaks. French can log on to a French website and get the same program that the English site shows, making it accessible to
showing you how to get a torrent. First you want to download uTorrent. Go to utorrent.com, click download, download now. This is the program right here, uTorrent 2.0. Then go to your favorite torrent site. I like the Pirate Bay. Type in whatever you want to look up and then push enter, and it pulls up the search results. Once you have the search results, pick one of the links. I chose the first one. It has a whole description, comments you can read. Decide if you want to download it. Hit download this torrent. Once you do that, it should automatically pull up into uTorrent to download. And that is how you obtain a torrent.
Most of us want to be able to watch and listen to our music or movies that we buy. Well, if you have a copy of a CD, you can put it on your computer and then put it on your iPod and listen to it as often as you want. However, if you want to watch one of your own movies on your iPod or computer, this is illegal. If you own a DVD, you only have the right to put this DVD into a DVD player and watch it through a TV. You have no rights to do anything else with it. You may not rip it to your hard drive and watch it on your computer or iPod. You do have the ability with newer movies to purchase a DVD or Blu-ray with a digital copy. This allows you to put a copy of your movie on your iTunes or Windows Media Player and watch it through an approved device. So if you are on a BitTorrent and you want to download the newest movie or music or song, you cannot do this. It is illegal. It is illegal because you using a BitTorrent to copy the file is circumventing the copyright of that file. The BitTorrent does not have the legal rights to the movie or music and therefore should not be distributed. However, some data on BitTorrents is legal for you to download. The responsibility is on the downloader to know the difference.